What's up, Kia2 Technical? I'm back again with another video today. I just want to show you how I edit my YouTube videos using my Zfold3 and using CapCut. So pretty much just going to go into CapCut right now, and I'm going to turn my phone this way, and we're just going to get started. So pretty much all I want to do is just click on the video that I would like to edit. I'm gonna hit add, and as you can see, there is the video right there. Let me see if I can get that to focus. There's the video that I'm going to be editing at the moment. As you can see, there's the video right there, and I can scroll to adjust and fix things. So first, I want to make sure everything is right up here. So this was recorded at 1080p, 60 frames per second. So I want to make sure all of that is selected and good. And once I'm okay with that, then I usually like to start my video. What's up, Kia2 Technical? What's up, Kia? And when I say Kia2 Technical, I always like to come here to text and add my name, just saying Kia2 Technical. So I'll just spell my name, Kia2 Technical, and then I will come here, find a little style that I want, and put it here. And then it has, in this app, it also has different kind of effects that you can use. So I like using it for now. It has different kind of styles, effects. First, I'm gonna do animation, so you can come through here and pick what animation you want. So that's what that would look like, and I'm gonna pull it over here so when it says it, it'll match up. And this is what we're looking at. So I do like it, but my sounds a little weird here. So let me go to edit my audio. You can extract audio, you can record, you can do a record. So this means you can do a voiceover, you can extract the audio, you can do effects, you can do sound. So sometimes I do like to load different kind of music in the background. So for the sake of this video, we'll do that. So pretty much this is what it gives me in CapCut. You just have to be careful that the music that you're picking is not copyrighted music, so you don't get any problems. So usually I just pick one of these and I'll play it, but I'll play it very, very low. So if there is a chance that it's copyrighted music, it's not actually picking up. But I'm pretty sure most of these are free for me to use. So I pretty much just go through here and I listen to one that I want, and if it's okay, then I'll hit add. And then as you can see, it added the music down there. So pretty much to fix that, if it's too loud, all you want to do is click on it and go to volume, and you can change it to where you want it to be. So usually I leave it at about 5. You know, I don't want it to be too overpowering, so I'll leave it at 5. So pretty much this is what I have so far. So here it is. So pretty much this is all customized. So I'm gonna stop it right there, and then if you want to add that same song, if you want to add that same track to the rest of your video, all you need to do is just click on this here, as you see if it's lit up, and you just want to hit copy, and it'll copy it. It's copying it, the sound, the exact same way, so you don't have to worry about changing the sound of it and changing the style of it. And then you just highlight it again and hit copy, and you just bring it over, highlight it again, hit copy. When I'm editing my videos, I'm not a fancy video editor, so I'm not really adding a whole bunch of stuff. You know, I may add music, and I may cut things out of the video if I feel like the video is too lengthy, or if it's some spots in the video that I don't need. Just like right here, as you can see here, that's me getting everything out of the box. But right here, I don't feel like I want that in the video. So all I need to do is just highlight the video, come over here and CapCut and hit split, and then I can split it, and then I can go here, split it again, and then I can just click on this, and then I can hit delete, and it'll get rid of that part that I don't want, which is very good. So it'll just show me taking out the microphone, and then it'll just pop to me putting that on the table. And if I want to add a little transition, this little line here, I don't know how well you can see it, but if I click on that line, it will give me access to add a different transition. So let's see here. I may want to add a little transition of me like bringing it onto the table. So pretty much you get trending. So these are all of the trending transitions you can have. It's a lot in here. That's why I like using CapCut. Then you get camera. So you get all different kinds with the camera mode. Then you get blur. So if you want that blur transition, you can get that. So maybe we'll just do this one right here, like that. So this is what it'll look like. So get the base, and the base is pretty heavy. This lovely product. That's what it'll look like if you wanted to use that. If you don't want to, just click on it and then hit array. But it has basic transitions. I do want a transition, but I don't know which one I would want to use. I want something that actually will look good. So let's see here. You also get the base, and the base is over this lovely product. So hold on, let me do something here because I don't actually like that. So now let's see what it sounds like. You also get this lovely product. So that's what that will look like. And if you're okay with that, then can get back to adding in your music. So let me get done adding in my music, because I do want the music on this whole video here. But like I said, I don't really do any fancy editing. I don't even know if you would call this editing. It's just, you know, me fixing some things, taking some things out of the video that doesn't belong in the video. But pretty much 9 times out of 10, if I'm not using LumaFusion or VN Recorder, I am using CapCut, because I just love CapCut overall. You can do so much in CapCut, and I really do appreciate it. So here we are at the end of the video. So I'm going to drag the music here, this blank area here. To get rid of it, you just click it and hit delete. And then here I always like to add an overlay. I'll add an overlay, and then you can add a different picture, or you can go to where it says stock videos, and usually I'll pick this the end, and I'll throw that in right there, so it'll say the end when the video is over. And at the end here, when I say subscribe, I usually like to just add the word subscribe, or I can come here and I can do stickers if I wanted to add stickers in. And see, on CapCut it actually gives you some stickers to where you can do subscribe. So all I want to do is just go here and just put this subscribe button, and then I'll just fit it in, crop it, and put it where I actually want to put it in the video. If I want it right here, let me see if I can get this right. I don't want it too big, but I don't want it too small. I can put it right there. So pretty much, hold on, let's see here. I'm a little particular about where I put this because I want it to look good, be level. So say I want to put it right here. about right there. And then I can just go here and cut it here, because I don't want it too long. I just want it to say what it's supposed to. So pretty much that is what we are looking at the end of the video. But like I said, you can go back through here on CapCut and change things that you want to change. You know, like I said, I'm not fancy at editing. I'm still working on that, so there's really not much that I do to get a video out. I just want to make sure I cut out some empty spaces, so I just scroll through here to make sure everything looks good and sounds good, and there is no empty spaces, so it looks like the video is just flowing real good when it is playing back on YouTube. I just want to make sure everything looks good. So that is what I do, but you can get more fancier with this if you would want to. Like I said, at the bottom here are all your controls. So you do get you can make a split, you can speed up, you can speed it up, you can add animations, you can add styles. So if you wanted to add a style, it'll make your video look like it has a style on it, but I usually don't tend to do that because I don't want to mess it up too much. But you do have cutout, and then this is the volume of your video if you want that. And then you can it's adjusting the loudness. And then you have edit. So if you hit edit, you can rotate the video, you can make a mirror, or you can crop the video. Then you have your filters. So this is if you want that certain look and that certain scene of your video. You can come in here and it has featured, life, B and W, has movies. So if you want this to look like a movie, more like a movie scene, you have different kind of filters that you can do. You also have retro if you want the retro look, if you want the night look, if you want the nature look, if you just want the food look. So say you were doing some food or something, and then you have style. But like I said, I really don't get into all of that. But you can enhance your face. If your face was in the video, you can enhance your face. You can enhance your body. You can also do a mask. You can do an overlay. You can replace it. You can make it more stable. You have opticity. You have reduced noise, reduced noise in the voices. So I'm gonna put that on because my videos do tend to have a lot of back noise in it, which is weird because you know, there's a TV, you know, there's other things going around me. So that's good that it has that. You have voice effects, so if you wanted to change the voice of your voice, you can also do that. You have freeze. You have reverse. You have copy. You have reverse. You have freeze. You have motion blur, and you have graphics. But pretty much this is how I tend to edit all my YouTube videos. I use CapCut the most, and this is how I do it. I wanted to make this video because a lot of people might wanted to know how I edit my videos. You know, like I said, I don't do anything too spectacular, but I still thought I would make a video and show you guys how I edit my videos. You know, everybody edits their videos different, but you can also add a sticker in here if you wanted to. So say there was something in here that I just wanted to add a little funny sticker to, so I could go here and then I can just hit stickers, and then I can just add different stickers. It has all these different kind of stickers, arrows. So if I was like, you need to buy this, then like I said, it has this for like the like button, the share button, the battery, loading. So if I wanted to play this before my video starts, I can put that in the video if I wanted to. You know, you get all these different kind of emojis winter effects, you get New Year's. So if this was a video, Happy New Year, you know, I could put that in there. You get your Monday, Tuesday stuff. Fire. So if I was like, this is explosive, I can throw that in there. Then I also get other stuff like wow. If I was like, wow, this is a awesome product, you know, I could throw that in there. Then you also get the heart look, bunnies, pigs, so on and so on. You get butterflies, so you can get birthday cakes. You get Christmas themes, different kind of frames, and different kind of things you can get and do to, you know, make your video more appealing to the eye for people watching. So pretty much that's what that looks like. So let's go here and say I did want to add a sticker. All I would need to do is just click on it. What's up, kids? Technical, back again. Like that. And I can put that in to where it's like getting the video started for you. If you wanted to do that, you can do that. I typically don't do that, but it's there if you want to do it. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.